Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine and doing well and ready for session 18. But first, I answer the question I asked you last session. The question was this: what does the term render a judgment mean? It means to deliver a verdict or to render a judgment. As I told you before, from today I am going to teach you the verdicts which are rendered by the courts of different countries. For example, the United States of America, England, and other countries around the world. Each judgment or each verdict may take at least 2 or 3 sessions to cover. The text of each judgment is given to you at the caption. First of all, I would like to tell you for each session the vocabulary used in that verdict, and then we go through the verdict. The words related to this judgment or verdict are plaintiff, plaintiff, defendant, defendant, dispute, dispute, burden, burden, and finally arbitration, arbitration. And now, the meaning of the words. The first one is plaintiff. Plaintiff is a person who brings a legal action against someone else. The opposite word is defendant. Defendant is a person against whom a lawsuit is filed, or defendant is a person who is accused of something wrong or something which is against law. Dispute means a serious disagreement. Burden means the responsibility that you have because of a law. For example, you say the burden of proof. The burden of the proof is on the plaintiff. And finally, arbitration. It means to settle a dispute outside a court of law by some other people who are not judges. And now I walk you through the text of the judgment. Listen carefully. An Italian manufacturer of radiology materials، یعنی یک شرکت ایتالیایی تولید کننده محصولات یا مواد مربوط به رادیولوژی. manufacturer میشه تولید کننده، معمولا برای مواد صنعتی به کار میره. defendant که در اینجا خوانده است. granted to a Louisiana marketing corporation plaintiff. grant یعنی اعطا کردن، اعطا کرد به یک شرکت بازاریابی که توی لوئیزیانا هستش و در اینجا خواهان پرونده ما هست. exclusive marketing rights in the United States. حق انحصاری فروش یا بازاریابی for certain mammography units. واحدهای مربوط به ماموگرافی رو بهش اعطا کرد، یعنی حق بازاریابی اینها رو بهشون داد. A dispute arose as to which party bore the burden. A dispute یعنی یک اختلاف arose، حادث شد، اتفاق افتاد. as to رو بچه ها یاد بگیرید، به معنی درباره، خیلی رسمی هستش. as to which party این که کدام یک از طرفین bore the burden of complying with US governmental safety standards، که کدام یک از طرفین قرارداد وظیفه دارند که خودشون رو با مقررات ایمنی آمریکا وفق بدن. یعنی وظیفه شرکت خواهان هست یا شرکت خوانده هست که این مقررات رو رعایت بکنه. The dispute was submitted to arbitration. این اختلاف به داوری ارجاع شد، سابمیت شد، ارسال شد. And the arbitrators و داوران awarded damages to the plaintiff. حکم به جبران خسارت برای خواهان دادن. چرا؟ Because the defendant، به خاطر اینکه خوانده، had delivered units، واحدهایی رو تحویل داده بود. deliver یعنی تحویل دادن. that failed to comply with US safety standards، که با استانداردهای ایمنی آمریکا مطابقت نداشتند. Okay, this was the first half of the judgment that I walked you through today. The next part will be taught next session. And now the question related to this part. How do we say بار اثبات in English? How do we say بار اثبات in English? That's it for today. Take care of yourself and each other. Goodbye.